Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Freshdesk account. Easy tutorial step by step. To start, open your preferred web browser. Type in the Freshdesk website URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an active email that you have access to. After entering your email, click on the Sign Up button. Freshdesk will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox and find the verification email from Freshdesk. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. This link will redirect you to the Freshdesk activation page. Here, you will be asked to create a password for your new account. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Once you've entered your password, confirm it by typing it again. Next, fill in any additional information requested, such as your name and company. After that, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Then, click on the Activate Account button. You will be taken to your Freshdesk dashboard. Congratulations, your Freshdesk account is now activated. You can start exploring the features available to you. If you encounter any issues, refer to Freshdesk's support resources for assistance. That concludes the activation process for your Freshdesk account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.